All right, y'all. Time to work these briskets. Look at that. Woo! All right. That joker's good and coated well. We're gonna go ahead and wrap him. I'm gonna double wrap this joker because I just happen to have some butcher paper. And we're gonna let it finish doing these last few hours. Look at that. This is that Reuben's dry rub. Publix bag. Let us get ready to go ahead and get this last one. Y'all give a shout out to my camera team. Heather Lee out here doing her thing, production quality extraordinaire. Oh, man, that smells good. It is, ain't it? So we on the downside of this episode of Cooking with Demlees. We got the meat wrap, butcher paper. Let's shout out to Publix. I'm gonna take the pork butts, the pork bellies off in just a little bit. Probably another 30 minutes. We're gonna let them rest. We're resting pork bellies. They're gonna rest, they're gonna chill. Then we're gonna be ready to slice and pull. Y'all be waiting on that. Cooking with Demlees, we out.